Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging methods for your speaker Hama Cube 2.0. And the first one is to use a USB-C cable. So just open the plug at the back of your speaker and connect USB-C cable to USB-C port. We can see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C to your phone and the second one to your speaker. And we can see a LED light here, what blinking, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!